Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today the morning started with me unboxing this storage box that I got from Meesho for only 120 rupees. I got it because my dry fruits were scattering all over the kitchen. I didn't wanted it all to go bad. After throwing out the trash, I went ahead, made my bed, arranged my blankets and then cleaned my sheets. After cleaning the sheets, I sprayed this room spray because I like when things around me smell nice. It gives me a fresh vibe and I like everything to be clean and sturdy. Then I took a quick shower, went on the terrace for some sun, and then I unboxed the parcel that I got that day. After that, I came down, started prepping for my lunch. In lunch, I decided to make this egg curry that comes together in just, I don't know, 10-15 minutes. If you are used to making food at your home, you just have to chop up some onions, some tomatoes, add the basic tadka and the basic spices. After that, boil some eggs, fry the eggs nicely because I like this extra fried egg flavor. After that, add the fried eggs into the gravy. Adjust the consistency according to your taste and liking. And that's it for this day. The next morning was Saturday. I had off from work, so I decided to make a quick breakfast. In breakfast, I decided to make this cheese toast. I usually make it like plain cheese toast, but this time I had this sandwich spread with me, so I decided to use that as well. I just quickly assembled all the pieces of bread, and then after assembling all of them, I added a slice of cheese on the top of it, as you can see in the video. After adding assembling all the cheese slices, I cleaned the kitchen slab and then a scissor dropped in the pot of milk that I was keeping on the side, so I have to clean the kitchen slab again, take out the scissor. After cleaning the kitchen slab, it was looking really nice and clean and chakachak. So I went ahead and toasted all my bread that I have assembled just now. After toasting them, I sliced up some guava to go with it because it was lying down in my fridge. I think this that is pretty much for the day, for the vlog, and I thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe.